Today guys, I show you how to fix PlayStation is not connecting to the internet. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. First you need to do, just move here like me with your analog app, go here right to settings, open it, scroll here down, you will see network, just press on it and go here set up internet connection, press this. You will see how do you want to connect to the network, just go here like me, Wi-Fi, the fastest way, press this and you will see easy and custom. Go here like me, custom, choose this. Choose your Wi-Fi connection like me. After that, on IP address settings, go here like me, automatic. Host name, go here, do not specify. DNS settings, switch here to manual and go here on primary DNS. If you have here like this 0, switch this like me to 1.1.1. After that, go here done. On secondary, do the same. When you do this like me, accept this and go here next. MTU settings, go here automatic. Proxy server, do not use and wait for this. Go test internet connection. And you will see all is successful. Just wait for this. As you can see, connection test complete and we are connected to the internet. Just one more little check. Go here on store. And that's it all guys, how to connect to the internet on any PlayStation. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and type in comments some more cool videos with PlayStation. Bye guys.